we do both free range and we also mix food for them. So right here we do hay and everything. Then for hay and what, it's where they'll come and feed before they ziende kulala. So kuna shamba, kuna, you've noticed we've done a lot of paddocking because all that is still part of our farm, even where the ngombes are.
George shares that it is important to avoid subdividing land as it limits its farming productivity.
There's a tea there, which we didn't actually see. We didn't go to that end of the farm.
George shares that smaller parcels make it harder to manage land sustainably. It also makes it difficult to plan irrigation and implementing modern farming techniques or even rotating crops to increase productivity. Remember, this is Farm Focus Africa. Subscribe, like, share and comment for more farming stories that will ignite your farming spark.
We take milk to ACC. We use the pickup for delivery of milk.
So how does George take care of his farm produce to ensure longevity before it reaches the market?
So we have a tractor. Another thing we have, in case to delay sana, we have a cooler. Yeah, we have a cooling place. It's refrigerated. So from the other side is, in case the kitu iharibike kabisa, ishindwe kuuzwa, kaweka hapo mpaka ipatikane. Apart from selling, we demonstrate, or we do demonstration. Yeah. Dragon fruits, those things you say don't do well in Kisii.
In Kisii.
Yeah, there's one that had fruited.
There's a lot of misconceptions that need to.
Yes. So, no, this is where we collect excess water. We don't waste water. Tank zikija inamwagwa hapa. Yeah. There's something special about the maize. The maize planted on this side, we germinate in the greenhouse, then come and plant in straight lines.
Who does that? Why would you do that in the first place?
Why would you do that in the first place? It's called having a passion. Now, these are peaches.
Peaches?
Yeah. A peach is a fruit. And they are loved by birds, so you put a nest here. Yeah, that's a nest.
So the idea, before you tell me more about the peaches, the maize, you germinate them in
we are able to control. So we have maize that will be ready this week. We have another next week. So we have ready, because we plant in stages. Yeah. Here is this is strawberry and pawpaws. These are kiwi fruits, but we also try when it doesn't work. Like this one, it has just never worked. Yeah, you accept and move on. This is pomegranate. Then here we had now it's time for them to regenerate. These are oranges, and tangerines and whatever, but they work well. This is also a water collection. This is collected from that, as you can see.
Very dry.
No, this is the uniqueness of Kisii. But now, you see, we have greenhouses. Greenhouses have no direct rain. Now, I was talking about apples. These are apples now, you can see. They are within. This is an apple.
It's an apple.
Yeah, even this should be one. Ishatolewa. These are pomegranate, otherwise known as kukumanga.
Oh.
Yes. Cuckoo. The idea of the covering is we have a lot of rain. But when you cover the banana, hata ikinyeshewa na mawe, itapata patches, so you get
Good harvest.
good harvest. It's just like you guys here in clothes. So let me not. So my brother is strictly Ebisukashi. Yeah. No, these ones are bought locally. I'm the one who has liaised with an exporter, so I normally supply them with Ebisukashi. Yes. Tanyeshewa. That was the guesswork. Those are grapes. Yeah. Yeah, but you see they're under greenhouse. Now these are
Lemon.
seedless lemon.
Seedless lemon.
Yeah. But these are oranges. This tree and this. Yeah. This is another dam for collecting water. This farm of ours, if you really need to have a tour, you come at 10, you leave at 3. Yeah, because we don't mind walking you around. Yeah. Like that's a tangerine, you can see. So these are pineapples. Yeah. Now next time you come, zile mashimo mlikuwa mnaniuliza ni za nini, you'll get my passion. Amatindogoro. That's the word I was looking for. Ritindogoro. Oh. Yes, Ritindogoro is passion. Yes. This is a Amatindogoro. This is passion. Yeah. Yeah. These are passion fruits, yes. This is locally consumed. But now my shamba will go for export. One, and then we have a CCTV system. And if you've noticed, our farm is fenced all around. Kuna ndizi hapo? Aha, you can look at the Ebisukari, the one we were talking about. Yeah, these are seedlings. Yeah. Then look at them. This is now the outlet I was talking about. So if you look at this, you are asking me about the purples. You see the ripe one, it is clean. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, it is clean. I know.
When they are covered.
Yeah, it is clean.
This looks like the small farm markets I usually see.
I hope so.
Looks funny.
Too many movies. It's now ready for sale.
Ready for sale.
For planting. Yes, that's another thing we do now. No, this is cabbage. They all look the same. Please do. Somewhere it has a label on the date it was planted, the date it's ready for market, and what variety it is. So like this is cabbage, the variety is Gloria. It was planted on 6th or 9th of June. It will be ready on 9th of July. Yeah, it's a month.
They are also planted in stages.
Yes. Karibu sana.
And I appreciate you.
But it's no. Our outlet for seedlings. Yeah. So, and Akinyi is an agronomist. Yes, she is in charge of quality, and so you notice we've a lot of water collection and very many tanks. You've noticed, yeah, because of this. Now this one is for this one you can't even get in this particular one. Yeah, because it's the germination room. It requires temperature control, so you can only go in at a specific time. Yeah. Yes. They are called bulb. Yes. So pitia pale. I know her day is gone, so mukikuja next time you will talk to her. So these are seedlings. Whereas this is for oranges, tangerines. Yeah, some of them even have babies already. Yeah, some of them are flowering. These are the mangoes you were asking about. You see some of them seed. Then this is pink lady, and that is the apples wambogo, the green. Yeah, those ones.
Okay, to name these plants, it's usually a person who decides to craft and then they come up with
the person who came up with it is called Wambogo. In fact, then their farm is also called Wambogo. It's in Nyeri. Yeah, so then their variety also has a weird shape, a special shape.
Okay.
Yeah. That's pomegranate, moringa, the gooseberries. Yeah, so the purpose of most of the part of the farm, if you ask me how will this, when it's mature, what will it look like?
Yeah.
I simply take it to the farm and show you this is a mature. If it's avocado, we have. If it's what, we have. So yeah. Something also we are trying out is flowers and herbs.
And herbs.
Yeah. The name, then this is a donkey tail. Now this looks nice, don't you think? Yeah.
What are you looking at? What kind of technology are you employing? Say in greenhouses.
What, like it's auto-generated? If you've noticed, we don't even like the greenhouses. They are almost fully automated. We pump water and it's solar. You can see there's a solar panel there. There's a pump into the tanks. Apart from that, we do extensive water collection also into the tanks. In terms of technology, I don't know what specific, because we are fully like for the avocado. I do spraying. Whatever I do, we have the machinery. In fact, if we go to our stores, you saw the tractor. Apart from the tractor, we have boom sprayers. We have electric pumps. We have the back pumps are also battery operated. Yeah. So hata ukiona compound na vile nyasi imekatwa, it's done by that guy. Yeah? The guy I produced it. So we also, most of agriculture is still labor intensive. So we have casuals and permanent. For the avocado, I have 3 permanent. And like on Saturdays, I have many casuals. This one has many people. So they work where they do their, now putting seedlings into mikebe and makaratasi. It's done over here. They transfer from seedlings into the bags. Yeah. Then
Why are you taking?
It's not irrigated. It's just in case it's dry, we have a chance to irrigate. But it's also a demonstration plot under irrigation. But if you've noticed, I told you we will always have green maize. You saw that is that stage. This is small. You saw zingine huko chini ziko ready. So almost throughout, we can sell you green maize. Yeah. Yeah, naziko, yeah. 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 And how do you continue that cycle? You plant in stages. Yeah. Okay, can we run?
No problem.
Hiyo ni mvua.
One more thing.
Yes.
Do they randomly treat the soil that we put in the plastic bags?
We have already treated soil.
Treated soil.
Yeah.
So you have
Yeah.